Let's go inside. Slow down, move slowly, don't run. Baby, like. Baby, hold on. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay. Thank you. Don't leave it open. Baby. Dito. Slow down, baby. One at a time, baby. One at a time. Sit down in a place. Find a place. Dito, come here. Give it. Don't throw. You hold on your hand. They want to come. Dito. Okay, look at also. Dito, come here, baby. You can. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you, okay? Come on. You gotta let this go. Let this go, baby. Let this go. Let this go. Let them eat one at a time. It's okay, Ansel. You watch them. Don't touch, okay? And don't pull. Don't. They're coming to eat. It's scary, baby. That's okay, baby. It's eating. Yay, good job. Ask Mama to take a picture. No, just start. Let them eat. You can sit down. They will come here. They will come down. They'll come down. Don't worry, they will come down. Just sit down. Come in. Come on, baby. No moving. Sit down. They will come. Yeah. They're coming. If you move fast, they're not coming, okay? Baba. Oh, slow down. Let me help you. Come on. Come here. Sit down. Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down. And show them. Not gonna. You cannot do that, baby. No running. Baby, come on. Come on, sit down. Baby, Dito. Come here. Come sit. Baba, come sit. Dito. Come on, sit here. Let me hold it. Have a seat. They will come. You sit. Just sit. Hold it, okay? Like that. He's coming. He's coming. Just. Oh, it's scary, girl. You gotta sit, Baba. You're moving a lot. Come on. Not loud, Baba. Not loud. Come sit here. Baba? Mm-hmm.
Daddy, can you feed this to them?
Mm-hmm.
No, Papa, look at this. No, Dad, that's too my finger. Ouch!
They're gonna come, baby. Just stay there. उठेर त खान्थे के रे यहाँ अर्की छोरी छ नि त यहाँ यो ल्याएर यो बाँदरले हैरान पार्यो दितो Don't go too close, okay?
It might come, but they have food right there. Oh, look, look, look. I can.
Come here, come with mama or daddy. Come on. Dito. Come here to daddy. Come here to daddy. Answer, Baba. Yeah, that's further. No, get the box. Box down.
Oh. Why do they flap their wings so fast?
Yes. Dito, come here. Come here. Look, yellow. Dito, come here. Come here to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. You cannot do that. Hold with the daddy. Daddy is holding you. You can hold. Yeah. So that. Not start na kara na. They're gonna be fighting. Let them stop. Don't be loud. Yeah, so that sounds okay. There are plenty of them. Come on this way. Let's go this way, okay? A little bit. Do this one. Oh my, there are many of them. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. They're gonna come, okay? Mm-mm. O dito.
You got your first birdie. Like the one that's going on to. Yes.
Hmm?
I'll just stand out of there.